Welcome to this brief guide on how to use color filters in Windows 11. Every day, Windows is used by hundreds of millions of people, including the 1 in 200 women and the 1 in 12 men that suffer from some form of color blindness. And for them, using Windows can be a less than optimal experience. So today we're going to use the Settings application to enable color filters to make Windows more accessible than ever. If you don't have settings in your Start menu natively, you can do a search for the Settings application, and Settings will be your top search result. Opening up the Settings application, we'll need to then head to the accessibility options, which can be found in the sidebar. Selecting the accessibility options will allow us to then find our full accessibility options, including color filters, which is highlighted here. Heading into the color filter options, we'll have some images at the top which we can use as a guide once we enable color filters using the color filters option and turning the radio toggle to on. As you can see, the colors in the images at the top have now shifted in hue based on someone who would potentially be red-green, green-weak colorblind. We also have options for those who may be red-green, red-weak, and as you can see, the images at the top, which are our guide, have now changed as well. We also have additional options for those who may potentially be blue-yellow colorblind. We also have options for grayscale inverted, as well as inverted with colors. Now for the rest of this demonstration, I'm just going to change back to the options that will give the rest of my system a light theme. Now there's an additional option that is found underneath the color filters, which we'll cover now, which is also the ability for a keyboard shortcut, which is Windows Control+C, to turn the color filters on and off. We'll toggle this on to make the keyboard shortcut function. Now utilizing the keyboard shortcut, I can easily turn off the color filters, and then using the keyboard shortcut again, I can turn the color filters back on. This keyboard shortcut works anywhere in Windows. And that is how you use color filters in Windows 11. I hope you found this tip extremely useful, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.